Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the assembly language programming. So before learning this, we have to understand what is assembly language programming. So basically, uh, it's a step-by-step instruction to perform a particular task. Okay. So assembly language is performed by using instructions. So we have to understand what is instruction. Okay. Okay. So an instruction is a binary operation that is designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific function. Now we have understand about the assembly language programming, and we have also understand about the instructions, right? So we know that microprocessor 8085 only understand uh, machine language. So the third point is a program known as assembler is used to convert a assembly language program to machine language, because as we know microprocessor only understand machine language only. Okay. After that we are going to learn about the instruction set that is present in the microprocessor 8085. So what is instruction set? Instruction set is a command. It is basically a command that is given to a microprocessor in order to perform a specific operation on data. We have basically 5 kind of instruction set. First one is data transfer instruction, second one is arithmetic instruction, second one is logical instruction, third one is branching branching instruction, fourth one is branching instruction, fifth one is input output machine control instruction. Okay, so these are the five groups of instruction set. Okay, now these are the 2 points that which I would like to add is data. Whenever the data transfer instruction take place, it do not have any effect on the flags of 8085 microprocessor. In branching, whenever branching instruction sets are used, all the flags are affected except auxiliary carry flag. Now we are going to learn more specifically about the data transfer instruction. So data transfer instructions, they are used for data transfer from one place to another place. The first data transfer instruction is MVIB25H. That means whatever the data that is. So one thing which I would like to add is whenever I is present in an instruction, that means it is associated with data. Whenever X is present, it means it is associated with pair. So MVIB25H, that means whatever the data that is present at 25H, we have to move it to B register. LXIB, that means whatever the data that is present at 2000H, we have to load it into the BC register pair. Okay. Now B comma C, that means move the data of C register to B. Move B comma M means move the move the data of memory to B register. Move M comma C means whatever the value that is present in C register, we have to put it in memory. LDA 2000H means load the value that is present at 2000, okay, in accumulator. After that we have STA 3000H, that means store the value at accumulator, store accumulator value at 3000H location. Okay. After that we have STAXB, that means store the value of accumulator in BC location. Now after data transfer instruction, we have arithmetic instruction. Basically arithmetic instructions are used to perform the arithmetic or operation inside the microprocessor 8085. So by default, one thing we have to understand is by default one operand is in accumulator. So add B means, let's suppose A is equals to 0, 4, that means add the content of B in A. Add M means whatever the content or data that is present in M, we have to add it with A. Add ADI 25H means add 25 with A. Same goes for the subtraction. In subtraction, what we do is subtract the value of B with accumulator. Subtract M means subtract this data that is present in memory with the accumulator. SUI25H means subtract immediately with 25H. That means we have to do A minus 25H. Now these are some basic instructions, that INRB, that means simple increment of B, simple DCRB, that means simple decrement of B, DAD means basically double addition. Here addition, one specific thing about DAD instruction is, here addition will be saved in accumulator, but here the addition will be not saved in accumulator, but it will be saved in HLPL. Okay, now comes the logic group. Logic group instructions are basically used to perform the logical operation in the microprocessor 8085. Now comes A and AB, that means AND operation between B with accumulator. A and AM means AND operation between the data that is present in memory location and between A and I25H means we are performing AND operation between 25 and accumulator, whatever the data that is present in accumulator. ORA B means we are performing OR operation between B and accumulator. ORA M means we are performing OR operation between the data that is present at memory location and accumulator. ORA I25H means we are performing OR operation between the data 25 and data present in accumulator. Now this XRA A, XRA B, XRA M, XRI 25H. Here XOR operation is performed between B and accumulator. XOR operation between the memory, whatever the content that is present in memory, and accumulator. We are performing the XOR operation between 25 and accumulator. Now RLC means rotate left with carry. RRC means rotate right with carry. RAL means right rotate arithmetic left. RAR means right rotate arithmetic right. CMPV is basically used to compare. Now branch group. In branch group, it alter normal sequential program flow either conditionally or unconditionally. So the first one is JMP 2000H, that means jump. JC means jump if carry. JNC means jump if no carry. JNZ means jump if not zero. JZ means jump if zero. JPE means jump if even parity. JPO means jump if odd parity. Input, output, and machine control instruction. So in and out, they are basically machine control instruction. Okay, so in means initiate input operation. Out means initiate output operation, whereas RIM, SIM, EI, and DI basically they are machine control instruction. Machine control instruction means RIM means set reset interrupt mask. SIM means set interrupt mask. EI means enable interrupt. DI means disable interrupt. After that, we are going to learn about the stack instruction. Basically, these instructions affect the stack or stack pointer. So first one is push. Push means basically push means push 2 bytes of data onto the stack. Okay, pop means pop 2 bytes of data of the stack. THL means exchange top of the stack with HL resistor pair. SPHIL means move the content of HL to stack pointer. Okay. After that, we are going to learn program 1. That means write a program in assembly language that adds the two numbers together. So the first instruction is MVIA 05H. That means load the value that is 05H into the accumulator resistor A. That means we have to load this 05 into the accumulator resistor A. Second instruction is MVIB 07H. That means load the value 07 into the resistor B. Add B means add the value that is present in resistor B with the accumulator STA 2000H. That means we have to store the result in the memory location 2000H. Now last one is HLT. That means we have to halt the processor. Now the second program that we are going to discuss is about the subtraction of the two numbers. So we have to write, so here it is, write a program in assembly language that subtracts two numbers. So the first instruction is MVIA. So basic thing which I would like to add is the two numbers that we are going to subtract, that are they are present as at location 2000 H and 2001 H. Okay, so MVI A00H, that means we have load the accumulator with 0. Second instruction is MOV B comma M, that means we have move the value in memory location 2000 H to the resistor P. MOV C comma M is we have to move the value in the accumulator to the resistor C. After that we have move A comma M, that means move the value in the memory location 2001 H to the accumulator. After that SUB V, that means subtract the value that is present in resistor P from the accumulator. After that we have MOV M comma A, that means move the result in the accumulator to the memory location 2002 H. After that last instruction is HLT, that means we have to halt the program. So these are two basic programs which I have discussed in assembly language. So I think by attending this 12 minutes lecture, you have a basic overview that what is assembly language programming, that take place in 8085 microprocessor. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.